Yeah, so welcome again, guys. Another session trading, as always, $10 and turning it into perhaps 900 or $1,000. As always, we are only using our client's account here, as you can see. Yeah, we are as always using the same strategy, the buy digital strategy. Guys, you can learn this strategy from the course in the description below. We invite you to learn the strategy and try it yourself, see the results, give it some time, practice a lot, and yeah, try to make the same as I'm making here. And everything about the buy digital strategy is mentioned in the course. It's and then it's it's a matter of time. Just give it some time, practice, keep practicing, try your best to understand all the basics of the buy digital strategy, and yeah, hopefully you will master it, and then you will start making profits. And don't worry, the buy digital strategy in the course, it's clear, and one of the conditions is don't use your real money. Yes. I said don't use your real money if you are not 100% sure that you are going to make a win. So don't open any trade with your real money if you are not 100% or sure that you are going to win. Yeah, so as you can see, yeah, the winning rate is big. That's good. That's why I advise you guys. As you can see, the winning rate is 90%, or the profit percentage is 90%. We won $9 from $10. 90% meaning that if you open a trade with $10, you will make $9 if your prediction is right. And that's what happened. We made $9 from $10, and I guess this one is going, yeah, that's okay. We made a zero. That's not a problem because we did not lose any money. We didn't lose any money, and that's the most important thing. You need to be sure that you are not going to lose any money from your balance. Yeah, and then I will try the same, and I will open another trade with the same amount, with all that I have in my client's balance, $19. Yeah, and that's a lot. $19 is a lot. Why? Because that's all I have in my balance. That's all the total. I open a trade with the totals. So you need to have a good strategy to do this. If you are not 100% sure that this one is a win, and yes, another win, $17 from $19 only, we made $17. That's good. I advise you to look for assets like this one with 90% profit percentage or more. 80%, that's good. That's okay. 70% is okay. Less than 70%, don't do it. Just leave it. Wait for another signal, another day, and then yeah. Yeah, sometimes I like to leave a little bit there, $2. I leave $2 there in case. We don't know. And my first advice for you is check your network connection. You need to have a good network connection. Yeah, that's okay. As always, zero not a problem. Will not hurt us if we have a zero. If you don't win, that's not a problem. The problem is if you lose. And yeah, with the buy digital strategy, you will almost avoid all the losing decisions. Yeah, so learn a good strategy. I invite you to learn the buy digital strategy, but you can learn your own strategy, another strategy. Look for another teacher or anybody to teach you another strategy, a good strategy. See Yeah, 36 and we are making 32. 90% profit percentage is good. Yeah, this is why it's fast. See how much we are going to make now? Yeah, yeah. Now $70. $70. We just made 3 wins from $10. I guess 3 or 4. Yeah, I guess 3 wins. Yeah, we just leave $2 there. 68. And yeah. This one, yeah, this 100%. Or yeah, I guess it's going down. Trust me with this one. And if you don't like the IQ option, I advise you to look for another platform that allows binary option. By the way, binary strategy can be used in any platform that allows binary option trading. Yes, yes. So any platform that allow you to trade binary option, you can use the binary strategy. Only you will need a little bit of indicators, and you will be good to go. Yeah, we put $130. We are using the same asset. I told you. Yeah, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc asset. Sometimes it's crazy. Sometimes we give you crazy signals. And today is one of those days where you don't need any other asset. You need just to stick with this Canadian dollar CHF Swiss franc. Yeah, it's beautiful. See, last second, man. Yeah, yeah. Um, trust the strategy. Please trust the strategy. Yeah, I'm going to put almost everything. I will leave there $8. Yep. Beautiful, beautiful. 90% profit percentage. From $240, we are making $216. That's that's big. For a trader used to trade at 20 percentage. Yep, beautiful. That's amazing. Used to trade at 20%. By 20%, I mean, yeah, I will take all advantage. I will open trade with $400. And yeah, perhaps we will stop the video after that, or we'll try 2 or 3 other trades, another positions. We will see. Until now, we are winning. Listen, I trust the strategy. For yes, that's not a problem. We did not lose. We still have our balance. We still have our money. We will open another position, but this one is going down. Yeah, this one is going down. Trust me with this one. Yeah, I will just wait for it until the last second, and we will talk after that. Yeah, it's amazing how crazy it gets. Stressful. Just keep calm. Please be calm. You can trade while you are nervous. Please be calm. Yes, last minute or last second. Yep, I guess that's enough. We made $800. Today is perfect with Canadian dollar or Swiss franc.